I've added a lot of accessories to this 2024 Honda Goldwing. I've added some foot pegs and air deflectors, rear view mirrors, all kinds of lights and other electronics. But there's one thing that I have not added to this Goldwing. In fact, I've never added it to any other Goldwing. I'm going to need your help to do it.
This Cruiseman's Garage video is sponsored by Wing Stuff, your online resource for Honda Goldwing parts, accessories, and much, much more.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today, something just a little bit different. We're going to have a contest, and I'm going to invite you to enter this contest. More information coming out on that in just a second. Let me take you back and give you the history. Some of you may be aware of Mac over at Gold Rider 1. He has a YouTube channel. If you haven't been to his YouTube channel, make sure you check it out. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Some great stuff over there. Well, Mac was in Dallas-Fort Worth recently. He drove 668 miles.
I honestly do. But I drove 668 miles to have breakfast with you guys. So
on his 2024 Honda Goldwing, which he has named Snowy. And he came here, we had breakfast, and then after breakfast he came, brought his bike over to Cruiseman's Garage, and we have both our bikes sitting next to each other. This is Snowy. This is Mac's bike from Gold Rider 1, came in from Tennessee. And then this is my yet-to-be-named motorcycle. Now, he and I bought our motorcycles on the exact same day from Southern Honda in East Ridge, Tennessee. Great dealership. And he has the exact same motorcycle I have, 2024 white Goldwing Tour DCT model. And like I said, he named it Snowy. And in every video, he's always talking about Snowy. Well, every time I talk to Mac, or every time we text or email, or when we met for breakfast, he just always gives me such a hard time about the fact that I haven't given this motorcycle a name. And that's not something that I tend to do. I don't usually name my vehicles. But you know, to appease Mac and make him happy, we're going to give this 2024 Goldwing a name, and that's why I need your help. And I need some suggestions for a name for this Goldwing. But don't put it in the comments down below, and let me tell you why. We're going to have a contest. There's a link in the description of this video. If you'll click that link, it'll take you to an entry form online. I reached out to my friends over at wingstuff.com, and they've agreed to provide a Wingbucks gift card for the winning entry. So if you submit a name that I end up choosing for my 2024 Goldwing, you're going to win a $100 Wingbucks e-gift card. Thank you, Wingstuff, for stepping up and providing that gift card. Very nice. That's why they're sponsoring the video today. But it's even better than that. Let's say you don't submit the winning entry. Maybe you have a good name, but I don't end up picking that name. Well, I'm going to pick a second and a third place winner, like a runner-up, first runner-up, second runner-up type of thing. First runner-up will get a $50 Wingbucks card. Second runner-up will get a $25 Wingbucks card. So I don't know how you can beat a deal like this. This is a cool way for you guys to participate, but don't put your entry in the comments down below. Otherwise, somebody else may take your idea and submit it on the entry form and end up winning. Go to the correct form, use the link, go to the form, submit your entry, give us your email address and your phone number. You don't have to give the phone number, but we do need your email address. We need a way to contact you so that we let you know if you win, and Wingstuff will follow up with you to get you the card if you're the winning entry. Now, here's a couple of other rules. Number one, this is only going to run through December the 7th. You have till December the 7th to submit your entry or entries. You can enter more than one name if you wish. But at midnight, December 7th, it ends, and I will pick a winner on December the 8th, and I'll put out a video, and I'll let everybody know, and then we'll be contacting the winners. It's possible that more than one person will submit the same idea for the winning name. If that happens, I'm going to take the first one that came in. So that's your incentive to get your entry in as quick as possible, because if you're the first one with the winning name, you're going to be the one that wins the contest. I'm using JotForm for the entry form, and it tracks when the date and time of when people submit these entries, so I'll be able to tell. Now, we're not going to do anything with your email address, phone number. We're not selling that information to anybody. There is an opt-in. If you wish to opt into my email list, you can do that, but you don't have to, and it doesn't affect your entry one way or the other. You can still win whether you're on the email list or not. A lot of you are probably already on my email list. So anyway, that's the deal. Thank you, Wing Stuff, for sponsoring this contest, and good luck to all of you. Remember, don't put it in the comments down below. Don't put your idea in the comments, or somebody will take your idea and submit it as an entry. If you have more than one name you want to suggest, you can submit multiple entries. That will just increase your odds, I guess, your chances of winning if you come up with the right name. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. That makes a big difference. And whether you enter this contest or not, make sure you check out wingstuff.com. Anything you need for your Honda Goldwing, they've got it. Doesn't matter whether it's tires, OEM parts, accessories, lights, seats, backrests, mirrors, you name it, they've got it at wingstuff.com, so check them out. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Garage, and happy Thanksgiving.